Hello, hello, hello. I hope all is well with you and your family. Welcome for another day of live technical analysis where you can know when to enter, where to place your stop loss, and where to take profit. We are an educational platform and you can check our previous live stream where you can learn and add to your trading strategy. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe or else Bagdanoff will dump on you. Feel free to ask questions and suggest coins so we can add it today. Okay. Hello. Hello, Ariel. Hello, El Negro. Hello. Hello, Cassandra, Mia. Hi, Chris Cruz. Hello, Mary. Hello, RA. Hello, Myla. Thank you for joining us today. I know it's weekend. And I know when it's weekend, people are busy, right? People are having some me time, right? Especially for the employees. This is their time to recharge, right? So by going out with friends, eating out, YOLOing, right? Because Monday to Friday is going to be a hassle hard time. And so Saturday, Sunday is enjoy yourself time. Okay? So I appreciate that you are here in our community. And Saturday, Sunday is also a time for traders to rest also in trading, okay? Because usually Saturday, Sunday, there is not much volume because the stock market is closed. Okay, so Saturday, Sunday, weekend, the stock market is closed. Can you hear me clearly? Or my sound music is so loud? Okay. So, hello, John Zamudio. If you want to join our raffle, it will be tomorrow. Okay, make sure you comment 20 USDT and make sure you have your Ulian account. Okay, because your prize will reach your wallet. Okay, so if you haven't tried trading yet, so once you have a fund, once you win and you want to try trading, then that would be also great. Okay, so you will be part in our community where you can get signals, and let's see, we can grow your 20 USDT to how much. Okay, depends. Okay, all the best, everyone, all the best. Okay, so we are actually 108 subscriber. Okay, so that's quite fast, especially we have locked our previous account, right? Okay, so don't forget to comment, like, okay, and subscribe. Okay, so basic technical analysis you need to know. So what is the basic that I can teach you? So I am RJ. I am also a instructor. Okay, I have technical analysis courses in Udemy and other crypto related courses. I have at least 20,000 students. Most of them are from United States, and the second one is from India. Okay, that's my students' geography. So basically, I do in full-time trading. I also manage a 200,000 account dollar. Okay, kinda huge, right? So once you spend time in the market, people will begin to trust you, and they will let you manage their funds for you. Okay, so far we made at least $16,000. Okay, so that's a good thing right there, because we are trading a giant account, right? And so we don't want to over leverage that kind of account, because no need to over leverage. We just need to play it safe. Okay, yes, thank you for congratulating our subscriber 108. So before, we were just 4. Hello, Gab. Thank you for joining us. Hi, Klein. Okay. So, for basic that I can teach you. Okay, so I think I can teach you about Fibonacci. Okay, let's teach you about Fibonacci because I've been using this always, right? So Fibonacci retracement. It's from an Italian mathematician, Fibonacci. Okay, this is him. Okay, and as you can see, our planet is surrounded with Fibonacci number. Okay, Fibonacci sequence. Okay, so as you can see, flowers, you can find Fibonacci in flowers, in shapes, okay, even in stairs, even in this stuff right here. We are actually surrounded with Fibonacci. Okay, even the shell, even the galaxy, right? Huge. So I tell you this mathematics, they said math is the exact science, right? So you are privileged to learn Fibonacci even here in Taj Mahal of India, if I see it right. Okay, so even the rainbow, so many examples of Fibonacci, meaning we are really surrounded with these Fibonacci numbers right here. Okay, so this is the one I will be sharing to you. So what is Fibonacci strategy? Okay, so how does it work? And you just need, it's already provided here. So this one here, we call it the Fibonacci lines. Okay, Fibonacci retracement. Let's open a new Bitcoin. We can have a sample here. Hello, Matthew. Hello, Lodi. Hi. Hi. Okay. So, Fibonacci from bottom to top. Okay. Here. Let's try this one. Okay, from bottom up. Okay. Okay. With this. This is Fibonacci, okay? Okay. So right here, how to draw a Fibonacci line. Okay, so if it is uptrend, you will draw it from the swing low to swing high. And right here, we are bouncing in 0.382. Okay? So if you're bouncing from 0.382, then that is a good sign right there. Okay? So it is a strong trend. Let me show you. If you bounce in 0.382, it's a strong trend. If you bounce in 0.5, 50%, it's a normal trend. If you bounce in 0.618, it is a weak trend. Okay? So from here, we can see that we have bounced in 0.382, exactly at 0.382. Can you see it? We are respecting the 0.382, meaning we are in a strong trend. Okay? Let me show you a replay. Okay. So this is our fib. Let's play it. Okay. So this is the bottom here. And then we reach here. Okay, let's pause. So we reach the first high swing. So this is the high. Okay, that is the high right there. And now it is touching the 0.382. Okay. Let me show you. Where you can open position is you can open position in 0.382. You can open position in 0.5, or you can open position in 0.6. That's what we call retracement. Because every prices goes like this way. Okay? and then retrace, and then goes up again. Okay? So there is no price like straight from here going directly there. Okay? No, there's nothing like that. So you need a retracement first so it can become healthy. So from swing there to here and then goes up again. Either it will go lower, bounce here in 0.5, okay? And then go up again. Or bounce here 0.6 and then up again. Okay, so that's a possibility. If it bounces in 0.382, then that is a strong trend, meaning it can go higher. Okay, it can go higher. If it bounces in 0.5, then that will be a weaker trend. Okay, a normal trend. If it goes to 0.6, it will not go that high. Okay, and if it touches below, then the Fibonacci has been invalidated. Okay, it needs to have retracement. So you open your position here. You open your long position here. Your entry is here. Okay, and then your stop loss is below. Okay, so that you know, once this entry is invalidated, then you get your stop loss right away. So you try to enter again here. Maybe it will bounce in this area. Maybe it will bounce here. So you will have a retracement in, you will have a stop loss below here. Okay, so that's the basic of Fibonacci retracement. Okay, let's play. Let's continue how it works. Okay, so how to find your take profit? You use trend-based fib extension. Okay, so from below here, swing low, we call that swing low, and then here swing high, and then your previous price. Okay, so from here you can take profit in 0.618. Okay, 0.5, 0.618, 1, or even 1.618. Okay, that's the area where you can take profit. It depends on how strong. So if you take profit, let's try, we'll take profit here, 0.5. Okay, you take profit 10%, another 10% here, another 10% here, or you get your all here. Okay, so that's the possibility of take profit. So now let's continue. Okay, now we'll go. Ooh, it pumped, right? So after touching the 0.382, I told you that it will go higher, and it even reached 0.786. Okay, so that's how strong this trend is. Oops, it's almost touching the 0.1, the 1. Okay, we just have here, and we have a strong resistance in this area, so we cannot cross. Our candle is not closing above. And then what happened next? Okay, okay, it's now going down again. Okay, oops, it's trying to reach. Okay, this one hit already the take profit. Okay, let me pull it here. Okay, it hit already the 1. Okay, if you are patient enough, then you can take profit. And then it went down. Okay, and from here, since it reached already the 1, this is usually the take profit. So from here, it made already double top, and then from double top, then it went down again. Okay, so I hope you learned from here. Hello, Charity. Hello, watching live from GH. Where is GH? Where is GH, by the way? Can you mention the full? Okay. Okay. Anyway, so you can see here that our Fibonacci retracement followed our strong trend right here. Okay, this strong trend right here. Okay, that was a awesome illustration for you to follow. Okay, so did you get it right? Did you follow how to use the Fibonacci retracement? Can you comment yes if you get it right? Okay, so I know I am teaching well. Okay, okay, so this is our scenario right now for our. Okay, okay, okay. So I was doing this example right here, and we are right here right now. Okay, so that's at Ghana. Okay, wow, thank you for joining us. Okay, so at least we are speaking in international language so everyone can understand our live. Okay, so basically that's how you use Fibonacci retracement. Okay, this is the one, that's the basic. And let me show you something. Using Fibonacci retracement from low here, and then from the previous high, the swing high to swing low, you can see that we got a support here in 0.618. Okay, we found a support in 0.618. This high right here and this low right here, we found a support in 0.618. Okay, so if we are gonna go bounce in this area, that would be also a good thing to the upside. Okay, if we use a closer time frame, okay, so this swing high right here, swing low, the swing high right here. Okay, let's put it exactly here. Okay, so the swing low is this one, and then the swing high is this one. Okay, and as you can see, we did not bounce in 0.382. Okay, unlike our example, we did not bounce there, but we bounce in 0.5. Look at this one. Okay, it bounced to the tip, all close, perfectly bouncing here. Okay, so that's what I'm telling you, that Fibonacci is a good way to measure the bouncing area, the support and resistance area. And right now, we bounce exactly here. And if we bounce in 5, we are still in a normal trend. Okay? We are still in a normal trend. We are looking at a 4-hour time frame. Okay? We are still in an uptrend. If we bounce, either we bounce here or we bounce here in 0.618. Okay? This one is normal. This one is weak trend. And this one is a strong trend. 0.382. And right now, we are bouncing in 0.5. Okay? If you master Fibonacci, that will be also awesome for your trading strategy. Hello, hello. Hello, Tess. Hello, Amaya. Thank you for joining us again. Hello. Drone Seeker. Okay. Hello, Pearl. Hello, Pearl. Okay, so from here, you can see that Fibonacci retracement, we are still in a healthy uptrend. Okay, so we are still bouncing in 0.5. Okay. If we don't hold this area right here, then we will find support here. Okay, in 0.618. And from here, we can start going up again. If we still break this area, then we'll continue to go down, and this is already a bear zone. Okay, that will be already the bear market. And bears confirmed again. Okay, so that's how we use the Fibonacci strategies. Okay, so I hope you learned something from our Fibonacci and you got it right. Okay, hello to our 20 viewers. Thank you for joining us in our live. Okay. So some pictures here. It will look like this. If it bounces here in 0.618, then it bounces to the upside. If it's to the downtrend, the same thing. If it bounces 0.618, go to the downside. Okay, I haven't showed you a bounce if it's downtrend. Okay, let me try to draw some downtrend bounce area. Okay, bottom, swing low, the swing high. Okay, you pull it from high to low. Okay, so right here we have bounced almost in 0.618. Okay, from this high right here, we bounce in 0.6, almost in 0.618, and then went down again. Okay, and then the price target for this, you pull out the trend base fib. So from swing low, swing high, and then to the previous low, and you can see we hit the 1 here, 134,902. Okay, we hit it. Okay, so that's how good our Fibonacci right here. Okay, it touches the 1 and then went up again. Okay, so just like what we did in our example a while ago, it went up. Okay, so I hope, hello Mai, thank you for joining us again, for our avid viewers. So I hope you are learning. Okay, because this is the easiest, this is the hardest way to make easy money in the market. Okay, if you want to make easy money, then the market is the way. If you want to make millions, even billions, then stock market is the only way. Okay, you cannot find any work that will give you hundreds of thousands in a day. Okay, there will be no work that you can find to give you such income. So if you want to be rich, this is the way. And if you know that this is the way, then better study this hard. Okay, the same way you study your other courses, the courses that you took, you do the same here. Okay, if you spend at least 10,000 hours, then you will become a professional trader, and you will make this as your bread and butter. Okay, so not just bread and butter, more than bread and butter. Okay. Okay. Hello to our 21 viewers. Thank you for joining us. We are an educational platform. Okay, so feel free to check our other live stream. Okay, so going back, let's now go to our news for today on Bitcoin. So what do we have for Bitcoin news? Our Bitcoin news, Bitcoin data shows profit taking from long-term holders behind decline to 40k. So now we understand why we are going short, because those who opened long position has been profit taking. Okay, they have taken profit already. Okay, so it means they are seeing it as in the Wyckoff, they have seen it as a distribution phase. I told you, right? So distribution phase. This is the accumulation phase, and then this is the distribution phase, and then this is redistribution phase. If it goes down more, this is reaccumulation phase. If it goes down more, then we are in accumulation phase to the upside. Okay, so that's the possibility right there. The drawing that I am making is right here. Okay, let's find the here. So this is the Wyckoff market cycle: accumulation, distribution, and then accumulation again. Every market you will see this cycle. Okay, the Wyckoff market cycle. So if they are already selling their position, then they have looked at this one as distribution. So now it went down, marked down. Okay, so if this is the bottom right here, if this is the bottom, then that means we're gonna have accumulation phase here and then go up again. Okay, for distribution, and then go down again. And then from going down, another accumulation, and then go up again for distribution. And then go down again. So it will look like this one, okay? So that's how it will look like. Okay? So that is the possibility right there. If we are looking at the market as Wyckoff market cycle. Okay? Okay. Because they are selling, right? The holders are profit taking in this area. So these are the profit taking area, the long-term hodlers. Okay. So they buy here. They buy in this area. Okay. This is January 1st. And now they are selling here. Okay. So they are already selling in this area. Okay. Okay. Bitcoin mining difficulty just at on all-time high. Okay, so mining right now is having hard time again. It reached again all-time high. So it's now 23% harder for miners of Bitcoin. Okay, the lesser the Bitcoin to mine, the harder it gets. Okay, that's why one Bitcoin, we only have 21 million Bitcoin in the market. Okay, that's why it is meant to go up. That's why the Bitcoin is meant to go up, because we only have 21 million supply. Okay, in the law of supply and demand, if there is low supply, then the demand will be higher. Okay, That's why if the demand will be higher, Bitcoin price can shoot up. Okay, Bitcoin price can shoot up. Let me find my pitchfork for you. Okay? So, the price will be higher because there will be little supply, okay? We only have 21 million in Bitcoin. Unlike our fiat currency, we have so many supply, right? The government can print whenever they want. And they put it as a debt, okay? A debt, a country's debt, okay? Okay, so hello Ben, hello Isaac. Okay, so going back, if Bitcoin has 21 million, this chart right here shows, this chart that I'm showing you, this chart shows that there is only one way for Bitcoin, but up. Okay, it started here. The chart started even here, August 15, 2011, and went down here August 17, 2011 with $2.27 per coin. Can you imagine Bitcoin pricing $2.27? And during this time, all the people are saying Bitcoin is a scam. So this is 2011. If you are in the black market and you know people, then you might have been able to get some Bitcoin during this time. And then it continued to go up. And look at our chart, it's always going up. It doesn't look back in the previous price. Okay, let me repeat that. It doesn't look back from the previous all-time high. This is the previous all-time high, 1,207. And then the next all-time high is 20,800. And then our current all-time high is 69,000. Can you imagine that? It's not looking back from the previous 20,000. Okay? No time to look back. And if it goes in the middle in our pitchfork, Andrew's pitchfork, I tell you, Bitcoin price will reach 109,000. That is just being attracted in the middle. And it's normal that the candle will be attracted in the middle. Okay? Because this is Andrew's pitchfork. If it goes high, then this is resistance zone. So it will go down again to the support zone and then goes up again. We haven't went up yet. Okay, because the volume is so low. Can you see the volume? The volume here is continually going down. It's continually going down. Not much volume. Okay? So if the volume is going down, but the price is going up, what is happening? It means we are another in accumulation phase where there will be a massive pump again for the volume up to here. And you can just imagine if we reach this kind of volume right here, the same we reach this volume right here, and then start again, you can just imagine the price. That's why right now, the volume kicks in. Right now, the resistance zones is 588,000. That is possible. Why? Because, hello Blair, that is possible because this is Bitcoin and this is only 21 million. You cannot find more Bitcoin. Once the Bitcoin is mined, 21 million, then that is the last Bitcoin. And according to the last Bitcoin will be mined in what year? Let's see. What year it will be mined? Okay. 2140. Okay, the last Bitcoin is expected to be mined sometime around the year 2140. And today is just 2022. Okay? So if it is 2022, 2140 minus 2022. So we still have 118 years. Can you still live during that time for the last Bitcoin, or your grandson or granddaughter will be the one mining the last Bitcoin? Will we be able to reach that time? Okay, for the last Bitcoin. And I don't know how much is the price for one Bitcoin during that time. Okay? Maybe trillion. 1 Bitcoin will cost trillion. Okay? We really don't know because the law of supply and demand is what makes our world go. Okay? What runs our world. So when there is no supply, then when there is no supply, lack of supply, and there is strong demand, then the price goes up. The same thing happens with Bitcoin. Lesser supply, so the demand is so strong. Okay, so we still have 118 years to get the last Bitcoin. So if you can live 70 years and you are already 30, so you less 40 years. Okay. So and there's still 78 years left. Okay? So if you are not yet in the Bitcoin, then make sure you jump. Okay? You say, Bitcoin is so expensive already. I will not buy Bitcoin right now. It's already 39,000. So if I tell you that the Bitcoin price is 212, you say it's expensive. And once it reached this one, the resistance zone, it's 19,000. You say it's expensive, so it retraces back to 3,000. You say it's okay. And then it went up again to 62,000. You can just imagine how much it broke, right? So that's what I'm talking about, that Bitcoin is going to continue to go up, okay? So that's why it will be harder to mine. Okay, every time there will be a Bitcoin mined, then the Bitcoin will be harder to mine. Here, Federal Reserve official ban from trading crypto. Okay, this is to protect. Okay, this is to protect the influence, okay? For the US Federal has approved measures that prohibit senior officials of trading cryptocurrency. So after this news, it will be effective in May 1. So from that on, they will have 1 year to dispose all their assets in Bitcoin, okay? So they cannot hold Bitcoin. Okay, because it will be a conflict of interest. Okay, so the committees work by guarding against even appearance of any conflict of interest. Okay? So that there will be a public confidence, support, integrity, okay, in the impartiality of Bitcoin. So they're not allowed. Okay? So that is also bullish, but we can expect correction because of this news, and we did have a correction, okay? Okay. And right here, did top 3 Bitcoin address just call another local bottom? Okay, so there is the top 3 address. The top 3 Bitcoin addresses. When I say top 3, they have 100,000 Bitcoin in each wallet. Imagine. 100,000. 100,000 times current price, 40,000. So they have 4 billion in each wallet. This is so much, right? So a person having one wallet with 4 billion Bitcoin price. Okay? And this is what's interesting. They see it as a bottom already because they are already accumulating again. Okay, on-chain analysis firm said recently 3 Bitcoin wallets, more than 100k holding. This wallet, which had a collective balance of 260 coin by February last year, have more than doubled their holdings. They doubled their holdings. In the space of a year, they have added a collective total of 404k BTC, bringing their balance to 664,000. Okay? Their Bitcoin is 664,000 times 40,000 for the current price. They have 26 billion. The people in our planet is just 7 billion. Even if you give people 1 billion each, right? Inflation will be super high if you give people money. Okay? That's why whenever the government gives money, the inflation goes high. Okay? Whenever we receive money from the government, you will lose money. Okay? You will lose the value of your money every time you get a free money because there is no free at all. I remember before pandemic, our 3,000 peso can buy a worth of 3,000 peso. During the pandemic, when the government started giving money, our 3,000 peso valued at least 2,000 or 1,500. That's how expensive the products became because of the dole out of money. And to tell you, we have not received any centavo since the pandemic. Okay? We don't receive any help from the government. So we help ourselves. We don't rely on the government regarding our finances because we are responsible with ourselves. Okay? We don't wait for what the government can help. We ask what we can help. Okay? We don't wait for the government. We help the government. Okay? Anyway, with that one, so going back, we have this one. Okay? 664. So if they are accumulating again, that means we are going up. Okay? We are on our way to the upside. Okay? So that's our news for today for Bitcoin. So it took us longer, right? It's okay. It's okay. So right now, let's check Bitcoin. So this is my signal in the afternoon. Okay? So if you followed my signal, my entry for long position is right here, 40,232. So if you take profit here in 40,476, then well and good. Okay, you made money. And also my short signal is the same, 40,232, because I'm telling you weekend just sideways. Okay, so I'm not expecting as a massive move to the upside or to the downside. Just swing trade. So once it reaches, then you place a short position again. And if you open a short position again here, then if you take profit right now, then you are already in profit. Okay? So if you are using 50x, 100x, then you are already making money from this trade right here. Okay? So this is for the short position. Okay? So let's check our weekly time frame for Bitcoin. Okay. Let's hide the text. Let's hide the fib retracement. Okay. Let's look at the Ichimoku. Our Ichimoku, we are still inside the cloud and we still have 1 day and 14 hours to know where our direction will be. Okay? So our bouncing area, if we bounce here in 39,620, that's where we found support. If we bounce here, then well and good. If we don't, we can hold this area right here, 37,395. Okay? But here, look at this one. Let me hide the brushes. Okay. So look at this one. From here, we can see a healthy uptrend, right? The trend is still uptrend. Okay? This one is primary low. Okay? And then higher low. Okay? This is high. And we can expect a make higher high. Okay? So that's the possibility of our trend right now in our Bitcoin weekly time frame. So as long as we close in higher low position, then we are still in a healthy uptrend. Okay? So that is still possible right there. Okay. So in our awesome oscillator, our awesome oscillator is still okay. So daily time frame, daily. So what do we have in our daily time frame? Okay. So in our daily time frame, let's say you say, oh, it's already confirmed. We're already in the bear market. Okay, let's see if we are already in the bear market. Look at this one, trend line. Our trend line is still healthy. Okay, even if we make it like that. Okay, so our uptrend is still healthy. Okay, nothing much. And if we put up some line here. Okay. So if we have this triangle pattern here, then we can expect more. We can expect more that we will be able to bounce again to the upside. Okay? So we are still bouncing to the upside. We are still in a healthy uptrend. Okay? This is already three bears. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this one is 1 and 2. Okay, there is 2 bulls and 3 bears. So if the candle goes up here, that completes our 3 bulls and 3 bears. 3 bulls and 3 bears are usually there to show us some signs of breakout. So after the 3 bears and 3 bulls, then there will be a breakout. Either we break out to the upside or it goes down and break to the downside. Okay, but usually with this kind of rising triangle, let me show you pattern. Rising triangle here, ascending triangle here. Ascending triangle is breakout to the upside. Okay, so that's a good thing right there. Ascending triangle is breakout to the upside, and currently we are forming ascending triangle. Okay, so if I put it here, okay, so this is ascending triangle right here. Okay, so with this in mind, then the possible breakout will be to the upside. Okay, the possible breakout will be to the upside. Okay, so that is still very bullish right there. Okay, so we are still in a bullish zone. Hello everyone, thank you for joining us. Okay, so we are looking at the 1-day time frame. Okay, we are still in a uptrend. Okay, let's check now our and also in our double top. This is double top, right? Twin peaks. I told you Twin peaks is bearish. This is bearish and this is double top right here. And as you can see, double top is bearish. The breakout is to the downside. That's why we broke out to the downside. The price target will be from top to bottom. And then the price target is right here. Okay, this is our price target. Okay, 38,000. Okay, so we might be able to hit that one and go up again. That's a possibility right there. Okay. Okay. So, from here, double top. And we are continually growing to the upside. Okay. So, let's see. Our trading area is still, our support is found in 39,620. Our resistance is found in 42K. Another resistance in 43,490 and 45,830. Okay, so that's a possible rejection area and bouncing area right here. Okay, in 4-hour time frame, what do we have in our 4-hour time frame? Okay, this is our 4-hour time frame. And as you can see, our 4-hour time frame, we have, okay, we have broken out the trend. Okay, we have broken out the trend. The channel down, this is channel down right here. We can see it clearly in 1 hour. Let me show you. In 1 hour time frame, it is more clearer that we have broken out our channel down. Okay, channel down. Let me show you the channel down. Here, channel down. The breakout is to the upside. So we have formed the channel down and we have broken out to the upside. Okay, so since we broken out to the upside, this should be our high. But we broke this, so we found rejection in this area. Okay, so now we are only forming, what do we have here? Okay, in our 1 hour time frame, this is bullish. Okay, this is bullish. Even though this is lower low, okay, that our awesome oscillator is telling us higher low. So this is divergence, bullish divergence. Okay, so this is twin peaks to the downside, so we can expect more to the downside. But in our 1 hour time frame, this one is still, this one opened here is bullish saucer. So if this is bullish, bearish saucer, I mean. So which means we can expect more fight to the downside. Maybe a little more like here and then go up. Okay, but it's not something huge. Okay, just a little volume here to the upside. And with this form right here, we are only forming a double bottom. And a double bottom is fairly bullish, okay? So let's go back to our weekly time frame. Our weekly time frame is already forming double bottom right here. Can you see the double bottom with me? From here, higher high, and then low, higher low. That will be higher low, and then go up, and then break out. Okay? So this is the possibility for our Bitcoin right now. This is for our time frame, okay? So this will not close equal. So if it close high, primary low, and then here secondary low, so this will be higher low. Okay? So we are going to continue to the upside. That's a possibility right there. But if this goes down, okay, that's another story. That's another story because this is just a fake out. So this is X already. And we can expect more to the downside, okay? So if this is the case right here, so we are gonna form double bottom. The price target will be from bottom to top. Price target will be right here. Okay, this is 41,486. Okay, so we still have 1 hour before this close, and after this close, then it can continue to the upside. Okay, in our 4-hour time frame, let's pull out the moving average. We'll know. We are just standing below. Okay, we are already below our 200 moving average. That's sad, right? We broke our 200 moving average. So this can confirm bearish trend. Ouch. Don't like bears, right? If you are bulls, okay? And let's pull out the fib retracement. Okay, let's pull out the fib retracement. Then let's hide the Ichimoku. We're way below. Okay, I told you, right? The 200 moving average is a flattening slope, so it's weak. So if it is weak, then what can you expect? If it is flattening slope, what can you expect? Okay. Okay. So this is our 200 moving average where it rests perfectly in our 0.618 support, and we broke it. Now the next support we find is the 0.5 from the smaller time frame of our fib line. Okay, from swing high to swing low right here. Okay, this is our fib line. This fib line right here is from here, from the bigger time frame, swing high here to swing low. So this is the prices right here. Okay. Okay. So right now we'll still find support in this 39,442, and it is a good area to open a long position, okay, because we are already having a green volume. Okay, so if it is a green volume, that means it's going bullish already. Okay, it's gonna continue there and then continue to go up again. Okay, that's a possibility. Or it will look like this one. Oops. It will look like this one. Okay, then there will be another. So it will be twin peaks, bullish, and then goes up. Okay, so that's a possibility right there. Okay. Okay. So this is for our Bitcoin price. Okay. In our uptrend here, let me adjust it here. Then this, because this is for our time frame, this drawing is from 1-day time frame. Okay, this is interesting. We have support, and right now we are standing in the support zone. So if we break this area in the 4-hour time frame, then we can expect more to the downside. Okay, so We hope that there will be a starting bounce, okay, in this area. Okay? Hello, hello. One comment only, Cassandra, about 20 USDT. Okay, no need to comment always. Okay, and also Amaya. So you don't get double entry. Okay? Okay, so this is for our Bitcoin. So if this is in play, I will give the specific entry in our practical group. Okay, so if you are not yet part in our practical group, make sure you join our practical group. Okay, so we have specific signals here. There are so many people who give signals here. Okay, I have my co-analyst also here. Ulian. Okay, so he also gives signal here. So you can get more profit here. Okay, so make sure if you're already in our Trade Scholar community, then make sure you also join. You also join our practical group. Okay, so how to join the practical group? This is our Trade Scholar subscription. So we are currently here in free. So if you have 100 to 500 USDT in your Ulian account, then you can be part of the practical group. Okay, this is, you don't give this to us. Okay, this is yours. You keep it in your Ulian wallet, just like you keep your funds in your Binance. So you keep it in Ulian, and you just screenshot it and you show it that I have put already 100. So can you make me part of the practical? Then you will be invited in the practical group. If you have 500 above, okay, then you will get these benefits right here. Exclusive signals, so many signals, not just the 2 signals. You will have exclusive signals, okay? So here we have courses every Tuesday and Thursday, Zoom class for trading, okay? So you can benefit from it if you're a practical group. And you can have a one-on-one review meeting, okay, with your trading strategy. Okay, so this is free. This is our Trade Scholar subscription, okay? So we hope that you will be able, if you like what we are doing in our community, we're doing live, then we encourage you to also trade in Ulian, okay? It is a safe platform, okay? It's even more focused in its legalities, okay? So you can try it out, you can test it, okay? And you can start making money also. And we don't know, you will be able to grow your funds, okay? From 100 to 500, and then you'll be able to join our community right here. And that will be the beginning of your knowledge and your growth in our market. Okay, so we always study different kind of market, not just the coins. So we always look at other coins. Okay, so if you are in our community, then you will be able to see other coins also. Okay, so we encourage you to join. Okay, so you can start making money also, okay, with our community. Okay, and that is for our Bitcoin today. So because this is weekend, so I will not give a lot of signals today. So we'll just have our Bitcoin because there is not much movement, okay, for this time, and we don't have any suggestion also. Okay, so right now we will go. Our goal here is to be financially stable. Okay, so once you become financially stable, you can trade at ease. You can trade with confidence. Because if you are only trading your last money, then you will surely lose all your money. You don't trade your last money, okay? You trade your extra. Okay, that's why if you are planning to start trading, don't give up your job. Because you need a stable income first before trading, okay? I don't encourage you to give up your job and do full-time right away. You only drop your full-time job as long as your side hustle is making bigger income than your full-time job, okay? And if your full-time job is your passion, don't drop it, okay? Don't drop your passion also. You can continue teaching. At least you are teaching for fun. You're doing your passion for fun. And you are making money. So you treat your trading as your business. This is a business, okay? So this is where you can get your trip to Boracay, trip to Italy, trip to other countries. You get it here. You don't make your profession business, okay? You don't do that. Because if you are a politician, you make it a business, then you make money in politics. That's not good, right? Okay. So we just make sure that our profession, we serve the people. And in our business, we make money. Okay? We don't interchange it. Okay. So if you are part of our community, then you can learn more about financial financial stability also. Okay, we don't only teach you about trading, we also teach wisdom from how to grow your finances and to be stable financially. Okay, we don't teach YOLO here. That you always YOLO your money. Every time you get money, you spend it all in trading. No, that's not good. Okay, so we're gonna go now to our raffle generator. Okay, so we have already, how many names do we have here? 80 plus, I think. 88. Okay, so we already have 88 names. So best of luck. Okay, so we're gonna have a space, so you can start adding names again. Ariel, El Negro. So if you want to join, you just comment 20 USDT, okay? And make sure you share it to other communities, okay? Like Binance group in Facebook, so other people can also see our live. Cassandra. Okay. And then Mia. Okay, Mary. Bring your luck tomorrow. Tomorrow will be our raffle, okay? So if you are Myla Ranido, not USDT, USDT. RA. John Zamudio is one of our winner also. So we give 5 USDT, 10 USDT, and 20 USDT in every raffle, okay? RVL. Nati Sidad. Buezon. Jeramil and okay. Gabriel. Okay, phone. Speaker. Pes. Tejada. Amaya Chin. My bal. Dena. Hello, Isinika Ogenero. Hello. Isinika. Did I pronounce your name right? Okay. Okay. So thank you for our... So we have now 107 entries. Wow. Last raffle was just 60 and now we are already in 100. So we're gonna shuffle. And this is just example, okay? And if your name is chosen, then we will announce it also in our Telegram community, Jafet Kamado. And if you are chosen, we will count at least right now. We will adjust it 20 seconds, okay? Because maybe you have a slow internet and we cannot see your comment right away. So we will have a countdown of 20 seconds and you need to comment right away that you are present, okay? Because if you are not present, then we will call for another winner. Okay, the prize will not go to you. So make sure you are present tomorrow, okay? So you claim your prize. Okay. So that's how it works. John Camado has only little entry but he got it. Okay, so It's not about how many entry, it's about how lucky you are, okay? How lucky you are. So make sure you bring all your 10 years of luck tomorrow. Okay, 10 years of luck. We need your 10 years of luck tomorrow. Okay? Okay, so we'll just delete this result here. So tomorrow, see you tomorrow, okay? For our raffle, and let's see who's the luckiest of all. Okay, thank you for joining our live again today. So see you again tomorrow, same time, 6 p.m. up to 7 p.m. Okay, and stay safe and trade safer. All the best. Cheers, cheers. Let's make some money.